I love my mom. My mom is cooking.
Dinner is almost ready. Are you hungry?
Yes, Mommy. It smells delicious.
My mom is setting the table. My mom is baking a cake.
Wow.
My mom is washing the dishes. My mom is tidying up the kitchen. My mom is sweeping the floor. My mom is mopping the floor. My mom is doing the laundry. My mom is ironing the clothes. My mom is folding the clothes. My mom is organizing the closet. My mom is sewing a shirt. My mom is taking care of the baby. My mom is swimming. My mom is telling me a story. My mom is reading a book. My mom is talking with my dad.
呢個潛態聽唔到腦先遠啊！
My mom is preparing my lunch.
I know.
My mom is calling her friend.
We are so excited for you both.
My mom is feeding the fish. My mom is brushing her hair. My mom is drinking tea. My mom is going to sleep.